In this video, what I'm going to show you is how to insert some really important code into your website. It's called the Google Conversion Tracking Code, and where we need to go is to this Reporting and Tools tab here, and come down and click on Conversions. And as you can see, we've got nothing in here at this point in time, and we're going to create a new conversion. Okay, now this is a brand new AdWords account here, and I'm going to call this one, opt-in thank you page. Right, thank you. I'll call it opt-in thank you, and I'm just going to make it a lead, and I'm going to click on save and continue. And basically the rest is, you can sort of leave the way it is. The page security level here is HTTP, so my site's not on a secure server. The only other alternative is a HTTPS if you happen to have a shopping cart of some sort. Save and get code, and we can see here that here is our bit of code. Right, so don't need to get too scared about all this gobbledygook and JavaScript, etc., etc. All you need to know is that you need to copy the whole lot. And what I've got, my site here is built with WordPress, and let me just show you here. And just WordPress is a great system, and I'll be doing lots of videos about WordPress into the future. But here's the back end of once you log into WordPress. And what I'm looking for is this thank you page here. I'm going to click on edit. And here you can see my little message here that I've got when someone clicks submit and they get forwarded to this page. And the thing is here, I've got two tabs up here, visual and HTML. What I'm going to do is click on the HTML, because the code that we're talking about there is basically code. It can't go into the visual sections. See, if I put it in the visual, see, if I go back to visual, I'm not going to see anything there, right? Because if I go back to HTML, there's the code. So it's sort of invisible here. This sort of tag here makes it invisible. Alright, so all that's left for me to do is click on update. And I'm done. Okay, so I'm going to go back and do one more set of code here. I'm going to go and click here and create a new one again. I'm going to call this one, personal video sale. Okay, so I'm going to go here and click on purchase sale, save and continue, and I'm going to click on save and get code. The rest is pretty much the same, save and get code. And I'm going to copy all of that code there again, copy, come back to our pages, okay, and you can see here I've got personalized video sales thank you. Alright, so basically what that means there, alright, is that actually that registration, thank you, actually no, we'll go to that one there. Alright, so if I come on here, what's going to happen is someone goes to they purchase, come in here, they get this page. I'm asking them to fill out some information here. It's more or less a registration, if you like, so we can set up our training call. And what I want to do is track everybody that gets here so that I can work out how much it costs me to get a customer. And that's the whole point. You don't use Google AdWords if it costs you $25 to get a $20 customer, okay? Or in this instance here, if it costs me $500 to get a $400 customer, it's not worth my while to keep going. Alright, so you can see here in the visual here, I've got just a little bit of text here in that form there. If I go to HTML, again, I've got that little bit of text there, but I've got all this stuff here, which is basically makes up that form, a whole lot of stuff there, right, which that all displays. So I'm going to go underneath that and just paste that code in there, so Command V. Right, so again, update, and now I have my Google conversion tracking code inserted into the thank you pages of those two pages. And if I go back to my campaign summary on the front page of my AdWords account, if you rewind the video back to the start, you will see that there was 3 columns missing here on the right hand side. they were not there, in fact 4 columns, right? So they have been inserted there as soon as I've sort of activated the conversions up here, right? So there's the simple, fast, easy way to add code to your website. The key here really is this, is that, you know, when you are setting up pages on your website, make sure there's a thank you page, right? So that when someone fills out a form, it actually sends you somewhere else, right? And if you noticed here, we're observant, there is in fact another thank you page, right? Which is that one there, registration thank you. So if I view that one there, right, so this is someone who's already gone through, paid, and then they filled out the registration form, and now I'm sending them to this page here as well. So you know, the key here is that have a thank you page so you can insert that code on, so that you can track the conversions that happen via Google AdWords. Hope that all makes sense. Any questions, come into the blog, post a question. I'll be here to answer and help you with that. And yeah, log in, get our 5 days of free videos, or you know, request a 10-minute Skype review of your account, and be happy to help. All right, take care.